Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, look in the description of the video. Click on my link tree. We have a variety of videos. We show people how you can start your own internet company. I even show you how you can get free products like we do and review on the channel. Now, let's get right into it. If you are a fan of Taking a Bathroom, a fan of this channel, you know that we've been on this little journey. A couple of weeks ago, we went fishing. We did a couple of live videos. It's hot. Southeast Louisiana. Even in the winter, it can be warm, okay? So we hooked up an inverter, put it up to a blower, and we realized that it made our fishing experience that day a little bit more bearable, right? So me with my bright ideas, I decided, what if I can bring all of my tech gear, well, not all, but if I can bring tech to the fishing bayou and make my experience more comfortable. So we started that process, I should say, and started writing to companies and getting items to try. And the first item we reviewed was the 600 power watts King Boss power bank. Put that through the test, and now I decided to review the Ecoflow Wave, which is a 4,000 BTU portable AC. So we're gonna unbox it, guys. Be patient. This is a journey. We have plenty more to come. Heads up, it's going to be a couple of Ecoflow products and tents. So let's get it to the unboxing station. Let's unbox it. I'm also going to show you some of my initial tests, but be patient, guys. I have plenty more to come for this. So all this week, we're dropping videos, just reviewing products that can make our outdoor experience more bearable. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get it to the unboxing bench, and I see you back in the studio for my final thoughts. All right, so here it is, the Ecoflow Wave. The box is nothing special, guys. When you open it up at the top, you're going to see you have your vents. Now, this port clips on to the back, and on the other side, you're going to find your user manual. Make sure you read your user manual always, guys. And you also have your wires, your power plug, excuse me. Now, this version does not come with the battery pack. This is just the unit itself. And of course, underneath here, you do have the unit. Be honest, the thing I love about it is the build quality. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is absolutely beautiful. It weighs about 38 pounds. On the side, it gives you some options to run the portable AC. You can plug it directly into the wall. You can charge the battery using solar panel. Again, this does not have the extra battery pack. That's extra. And you can even plug it up to another one of their power banks. It also comes with this intake and outtake vent that you just snap on to the cover that I showed you earlier, and this drain. It does drain water if you are in a humid area, so you just pop that to the back of the drain, and that's a little drain tube. Now, the top is very straight to the point. You have your different modes. You can switch between fan and AC, and if you want to choose the fan or the AC, you click that and power off. All right, so the initial setup and turn on is easy. It do have an app. I'll show you some shots of the app a little later. Now, any power source that have at least 600 watts can power on the Ecoflow Wave. The Ecoflow Wave is supported by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The AC input power max is 700. The solar charging input, you get an 11 to 35 volts, max 12 amps, max 200 watts. So just keep those numbers in mind whenever you look to charge your device. Again, you have a battery available, an extra battery that they sell that will give you about 2 to 3 hours runtime, depending on the circumstance. Now, Ecoflow is fully aware that this is not a central unit. This is only for small spaces, so about a 4-man tent. I have developed some strategies and testing this out to where I think I can cool larger spaces, but it's all about deploying strategies. a lot of people look at this device and they go out and get it without knowing, exactly the limitations of the device. Let me just give you a small clip of it outside. Yeah, the noise you heard of my wife outside enjoying her seafood with the Ecoflow wave blowing directly on her. It's about 100 degrees. Well, feel like temperature is about 100 degrees. It's actually about like 97, 98, something like that. But with the air blowing directly on her, man, she was very satisfied. It was very cool. I brought this out into my gazebo again, knowing that it's not going to cool this area, just testing and seeing the different power options and seeing exactly when it's going to spike. In conditions like this, the compressor is going to work hard, super, super hard. But at this stage, I just was experimenting, just pushing it, all right? And again, this is the screenshot of the app that allows you to have more control. Funny enough, you can put it in a mode called Eco mode only through the app, which would give you a stream runtime. It basically turns the compressor on and off. This King Boss can power this unit, but only on fan, I recommend. Because once that compressor kicks on, especially in a situation like this to where it can't cool off the air, right, fast enough, it's just going to drain that power. And when it get that spike to about, I noticed 400, it's going to cut. Exactly will this be doable for what we're planning, that overnight fishing trip? I have some ideas and I've been putting it through the paces, but you just have to watch to see the final results, guys. So that's pretty much it for the initial unboxing and, powering on for the first time. Let's go back to the studio. I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, come in here. I'm not an electrical engineer. If you come in here for all of the specifications, I will give you the specifications or whatever, guys, but I'm not the one to do those electronic tests to see how much power is being lost when the inverter come on or whatever. Just read my bio of the channel. I'm a wannabe geek. I just like tech. I want to plug it up, understand the basics. I don't want to understand all of the science all of the time. That's just me. Having said that, man, I am very impressed initially with this AC. Now, I know what people are saying. Man, you're using tons and tons of power for a little bit of air. And you would be right if you would say that. However, during my experience, I learned simple things in setting this up to where I can get it to run longer and I can get it to cool off smaller spaces faster. Like I say, I have more to come with this. My initial thoughts of this is that you cannot run this with what I was trying to do with the King Boss 600 watt portable power generator. It's just not going to run it long enough. You could run it with the fan, but once it kicks up, especially if it's very, very hot in the area you're trying to cool off, once it kicks up, that wattage, once it spikes, it's going to kick it off. So I have some other stuff coming, power banks coming to run this and see if it's going to make the experience even easier. I kind of give it away, guys, but look. It works. It works. And I'm going to give you my final thoughts and our big review that's coming up. But just bear with me. This review, we got 2 more power banks, solar panel, and 2 tents. And then the final review. The final review of everything together. I'm going to bring it out. And I'm going to camp out overnight and fish through the night and in the morning. And see if it's going to keep me cool. Your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Look, hit that follow button, subscribe button, hit that all button, because I'm telling you, I'm dropping videos. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.